Today's recipe is a recipe that of a chutney which is very unique, a chutney which is literally from the heartland of Andhra Pradesh. The name you may ask, Palakura Ulli Karam, translated to Palak Onion Chutney. First things first, you need to pick good quality palak which is fresh from the market. You need to clean it well, wash it well and shred it and keep it aside. The next thing is to take red onions and dice them roughly. Then we take a blender jar or a tiny mixer and you make a paste out of a couple of things. What are those? Let's see. The red onions in the grinder. To this, let's add in cloves of garlic, red chilli powder. Well, salt needs to be added with caution because we are using spinach in this recipe, which of course already has salt. Let's cover this and grind this into a rough paste. Well, our paste is done and ready, and mind you, there's no water while making the paste because onion by itself is going to leach a lot of water out. The next step, of course, is creating a tempering, and for the tempering, I'm going straight into the recipe with mustard and cumin and red chilies and curry leaves. But you can also begin with chana dal and urad dal if you like that little bite and crunch in the recipe. And let me also tell you that this bite and crunch otherwise is not in the original recipe, but by all means you can go ahead with that. Add in some vegetable oil. Once the oil heats up, let's begin with mustard seeds. Once these begin to crackle, cumin seeds, curry leaves, and dried red chilies. Once the red chilies begin to bloom, let's add in the onion garlic paste. Let's mix this. Allow this to cook on low to medium flame for at least 7 to 8 minutes. Once oil releases the sides of the pan, time to add in 2 more ingredients, coriander seeds powder and turmeric powder. And along with this, shredded spinach. The palak is cooked and ready. The oil has also released the sides of the pan, which means the karam is perfectly done and ready. And with this, of course, the flame. Now this is served with rice on a banana leaf, and on days when you're done with spinach as well, you can make the same karam, the same chutney with amaranth, which is green, red or methi leaves. Try all the 4 recipes and let me know in the comment section below. This is me, Varun, signing off. Bye for now.